What's up, you guys? Welcome back to today's lesson and welcome back to Morningwood Academy. All right, you guys, we're getting deeper and deeper into this. So in the past few lessons, we've just been harping on these replacement behaviors and what can you do if you end up testing. You can actually journal about it, okay? The journaling and the potential testing is gonna be an ongoing process, okay? It's just something that you need to be aware of so that you can do it when the time comes. But moving forward, let's agree that we've removed the harmful habits or that we're in the process of removing it, okay? We've pulled the weeds of our harmful habits and now we have new seeds to plant instead of the weeds. So these new seeds are in form of our replacement behaviors, all right? We've stopped looking for fantasy in all of its ugly forms and we've added the root focus, okay? If you've already been doing the root focus consistently, excellent, you're on the right track. That is the foundation of everything that we're gonna go on from here on out, okay? We're gonna be building more and more activities from a place where we are already doing the root focus, okay? If you haven't been doing that pretty regularly, then the rest of these exercises, they're not gonna be nearly as effective. It's vital that you get the root focus down before you move forward. I hate to keep harping on that, but in the past, I've had guys who think they can just listen to my beautiful voice and not actually do the root focus, and they can still resolve this, and that's just not the case. And I'm not even sorry about it, okay? It takes work to pull yourself out of a hole. Like, let's say that you're physically in a hole. How are you gonna get out? By climbing out, right? By taking action. I just wanna make sure that's clear. So now, we've removed the harmful habit of masturbation, either to porn, in the shower, even a hand job from your girl. And listen up, I just wanna make one thing clear. Is masturbation itself a bad thing? I don't believe so. But have you ever heard the term, too much of anything is a bad thing? Something tells me that you're here watching this because you've had a past with masturbation. And I'm telling you that in order to get back, to recover your old erections, you're gonna wanna stop jerking off for quite a while, okay? Or don't. You don't have to listen to anything I'm saying, right? It's totally up to you. I just know that this will ultimately slow down the process. And so I'm just gonna assume that from here on out that you wanna recover quickly. So now that we've removed that habit, we need to plant a new successful habit seed, right? The successful habit that I'm introducing has a few names, okay? When I was taught this exercise, it was called the sensitivity booster. But then since one of my students gave it a nickname, I loved it so much and it stuck. And so now it's what we call petting the squirrel. Petting the squirrel. So there's a couple different things. There's the kung fu grip, right? There's the super hard, grip it till it rips in two. That's like the kung fu grip, it's super hard, and when you're doing that, it causes desensitization. Petting the squirrel, on the other hand, is the exact opposite. It's not squeezing so hard, it's literally taking a finger, placing it on the base, and so lightly, so softly, so slowly moving it. I'm going too fast right now, just for demonstration. You want to go slower than this. You can almost see space between my finger. And when you get to the head, you want to start over, okay? The head of the penis and the undersides are already super sensitive. You don't want to do this to that. But from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock on the top half, slowly moving it down, starting over. Slowly moving it down, starting over. The slower, the softer, the better. Think about it on your hair of your arm. Just barely touching the hairs on your arm. Barely touch the skin, barely. I can't even tell you. The point is that when you squeeze so hard, your brain shuts down sensitivity. When you are barely there, your brain sends energy and says, there's something here. We gotta figure out what that is. Let's increase the sensitivity. Let's increase it, okay? This can be done every few days, maybe 2-3 times a week, okay? Just listen to the recording and keep at it, okay? It's just that important that you guys, it's not something you have to do every day. Your body needs a little bit of time to process what you're doing to it. The root focus every single day. Pet the squirrel maybe 2-3 times a week. All right, you guys, I hope that you can see the truth in this practice. It made sense to me. I want you to practice this tonight, okay? Listen to the recording, go deep, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, I will talk with you guys in the next lesson. Much love.